Right. Ah! On the main road. Forward! Friday.
All you can see is a bald head. He's hiding that now.
You what? I haven't actually got it in the air yet, but as soon as I can get the... Yes, fine! All right, that's it.
I think this is a disgusting state. It should have been thoroughly swept up, and I'm really ashamed of you, Andy. It's disgusting.
Tony, that's what you're going to do when we get back to the base.
Well, I suppose it's not as bad as all that, really. It would survive for the next sort of...
What are you trying to do, fright me?
Just something you don't see every day, and Amos at work.
Hey, come on, mate. Angle right. It's the angle right.
Yeah.
Surfing airways. Can you do something with this hook? Come on, mate. Wide up. Go forward. Help. If anyone sounds some T-buzz on there, oh, get annoyed. Hopefully I can reach the town. That look the same as it does on the picture.
You've got to stick your tongue out. That'll be on YouTube tonight.
Looking forward.
You're on camera.
One for the tabloids.
There you go. Yes, of course, yes. By all means. Yeah.
when you're down and troubled and you need a helping hand, and nothing, whoa, nothing is going right. Close your eyes and think of me, and soon I will be there to brighten up even your darkest night. You just call out my name, and you know wherever I am, I'll come running. Oh yeah, babe, to see you again. Winter, spring, summer or fall, now all you got to do is call, and I'll be there, yeah, yeah, yeah. You've got a friend. If the sky above you should turn dark and full of clouds, and that old north wind should begin to blow, keep your head together and call my name out loud now. Soon I'll be knocking upon your door. You just call up my name, and you know wherever I am, I'll come running. Oh yes, I will see you again. Winter, spring, summer or fall, yeah. All you got to do is call, and I'll be there, yeah, yeah, yeah. Hey, ain't it good to know that you've got a friend? People can be so cold, they'll hurt you and desert you. Well, they'll take your soul if you let them. Oh yeah, but don't you let them. You just call out my name, and you know wherever I am, I'll come running to see you again. Oh babe, don't you know about winter, spring, summer or fall? Hey, now all you've got to do is call. Lord, I'll be there, yes I will. No, you've got a friend. You've got a friend, yeah. Ain't it good to know you've got a friend? Ain't it good to know you've got a friend? Oh yeah, yeah, you've got a friend.
And now there's nothing that can knock me down. I'm gonna take whatever comes around, take every frown and turn it upside down with a smile today. No matter what comes my way, turn it into something I can celebrate. I'm gonna give the world a shake with a smile.